Wooden plant box. Materials we would need are the following: 8 pieces of 27.4 by 3.8 cm wood, 6 pieces of 17.2 by 8 cm wood, 4 pieces of 15.3 by 2.5 cm wood, plant box base, and 2 pieces of plant box handles. We would also need a claw hammer, sandpaper, 32 pieces of nails, and wood glue. Align together 2 pieces of the 15.3 by 2.5 cm wood. Get one of the 17.2 by 8 cm wood and place it or align it on top of the 2 wooden pieces. Using the barbecue stick, apply wood glue on one of the 15.3 by 2.5 cm wood. Apply wood glue on the other piece of wood. Place the 17.2 by 8 cm wood on top. Align all 3 pieces together, making sure that the sides are aligned properly. Get the other 2 pieces of the 17.2 by 8 cm wood. Align those 2 pieces together, including one of the handles, making sure that there is equal spacing in between them. Adjust as needed to make sure that they are aligned together. Set aside the wood handle, get the second wood, apply wood glue on the edges of the second wood. Stick it back onto the wood. Make sure that there is enough space in between the first and the second wood. Apply wood glue on both edges of the third piece of wood. Stick it back onto the wood. Make sure to align all 3 pieces together. Check the sides again to see if the wood is aligned properly. Assemble the other pieces of wood with the same sizes. Align the wood properly, as this will be the basis for the placement of the rest of the wood pieces. Using a claw hammer, drive a nail down one side of the wooden piece. Pound the hammer properly. Make sure that your fingers are kept out of the way. Do the same process on the other side of the wooden piece. Keep your fingers out of the way while pounding the hammer. Drive a nail on the other 2 wooden pieces. Using a claw hammer, make sure that your fingers are kept out of the way to avoid any accidents. Repeat the process until you have nailed down all the wooden pieces. Prepare one side of the plant box. Apply wood on the bottom edge. Place one side of the plant box flat on the table and stick the 27.4 by 3.8 cm wood on the glued edge. Let one partner hold the glued wood and the side of the plant box. The other partner will drive the nail onto the side to keep the wood in place. Apply glue on the assembled side of the plant box and stick the edge of the long wood on the glued part. Drive a nail down to the edge of the long wood. Turn the plant box onto the other side. Get the long wood, measure. Apply glue on the bottom edge of the assembled plant box. Get the long wood, align it, and stick the long wood on the glued part. Get a nail and drive it down onto the edge of the long wood for both sides. Repeat the same process until you have glued and nailed down all 6 pieces of the same sizes of wood. Turn the box over, and at the bottom on the four corners, apply glue onto it. Get the base and stick it onto the glued parts. Drive a nail onto the four corners of the plant box. Drive a nail in between the corners of the plant box. Apply glue on the top of the plant box side. Stick the handle on the glued side and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure that they are equal in spacing. Lay the handle on the side of the table. Ask your partner to hold the plant box in place and use the other wood to make sure that there's an even spacing for the handle. Drive the nail on one side of the handle using a claw hammer. Do the same process on the other side of the handle. Apply glue on the edges of both handles. Stick the wood onto the glued side. Place the wood at the middle to make sure that there's even spacing. Drive a nail on one edge of the wood using a claw hammer. Do the same process on the other side of the wood. Do the same process of gluing and nailing the last piece of wood on the other side. Drive a nail on both sides of the wood using a claw hammer. We have now completed the wooden plant box. Fold the sandpaper in half. Rub the sandpaper on the rough parts, particularly the edges of the wooden plant box. Insert the sandpaper in between the spaces of the wood and rub the edges. Remove the dust after sanding. You have now completed your plant box.